explorers! Whoa! Look at me! I am floating! Welcome to zero gravity! Today, we are leaving Earth behind. We are going on a mission to find the most dangerous thing in the universe, a black hole. Look to your left. That is Saturn. Those beautiful rings are actually made of ice and rock. Whew, amazing, right? But we can't stop here. We are approaching the danger zone. Engaging hyperdrive in 3, 2, 1, blast off! We are here, it's silent and huge. That glowing ring is super hot gas spinning around the hole. And that dark center, that is the black hole. Its gravity is so strong, it eats stars for breakfast. If we go too close, we can never come back. Alert! Alert! The gravity is pulling us in! Ah! The engines are failing! Explorers, this is called spaghettification! We are being stretched like noodles! I need full power! Come on! Dang, dang, dead! Don't eat my ship! Go! Go! Ah! Maximum power! Go! 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 Yee-haw! Whee! We broke free. Whew, that was way too close. My heart is beating so fast. Space is beautiful, but very dangerous. I think I'll stay near Earth for a while. So, explorers, here's my question for you. If you could visit any planet, which one you choose? The red planet Mars or the ringed planet Saturn? Vote in the comments. Stay curious and keep exploring. Over and out.